Hey everyone, my name is Julie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two different types of smoothies that will help boost your immune system during a pandemic, during flu season, or like right now, coronavirus, to help you take preventative measures and to feel healthier, be healthier, and honestly, it just makes for a really good snack or breakfast, anything you'd like it to be, and it's also helping you. So let's just jump right on it. Alright, so the first smoothie I'm going to be making is my papaya smoothie. Papaya contains beta-carotene, which yields vitamin A and promotes healthy eyes, skin, and tissues. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the blender. I like to put a good amount, so maybe 2 big pieces of papaya, as much as you want. Papaya can have a strong flavor, so just be aware of that. My second ingredient is half of a frozen banana. Banana has a lot of potassium and magnesium, and it's a super source of vitamin B6, which ensures well functioning of the nervous system and assists protein metabolism. Then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. I have this turmeric latte powder, which tastes a little bit better than regular turmeric, but you can add whatever you choose to. Turmeric increases immunomodulating and the capacity of the body to just have like a better immune system. Immunomodulating is a chemical agent that modifies the immune system by just creating antibodies. Then I'm going to add some almond milk, which provide vitamin A, D, and E. Vitamin A protects epithelium and mucous integrity and also helps increase muscle strength and healing. And finally, I'm going to be adding a little bit of honey. Honey is an antioxidant and has antibacterial properties that help improve the digestive system and boost your immune system. I just add as much as I want. Some people like their smoothies less sweet, some people like them more sweet, so it's up to you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start blending my smoothie. After blending for a little bit, I had to add a little bit more almond milk to make it the consistency I wanted. I put it aside, and now I'm gonna start on my next smoothie. So for my next smoothie, I'm making a green tea matcha smoothie. I'm gonna add my half of a frozen banana first. This is the other half from the past smoothie. Like I said, banana has potassium and magnesium, and it's a super source of vitamin B6. Next, I'm gonna add my ginger. I use fresh ginger. I'm not gonna use a lot, but I start peeling it with a spoon. Ginger is great because it has antiviral and antibacterial properties, and it also combats inflammation, so it is a great additive to this smoothie. I struggled a little bit peeling it there, but then I finally got it, and I cut the size of the piece that I wanted and drop it in. The next product I'm going to be using is Kale. Kale has high levels of vitamin C. It's a powerful antioxidant, and it helps fight off infections, so it's a great source for this smoothie to help boost your immune system. I'm going to add about a cup in the blender. Next, I'm going to be adding my green tea matcha powder. I use the Oishi brand, but you can use whatever brand you would like. Matcha is great because it protects your body against viruses and it distresses body and mind. So not only is it helping your immune system, but it's also helping you mentally by relaxing you and helping you with other mental sources. Then I'm gonna add half of a lemon juice. Lemon is great because again it has vitamin C, it's a natural antioxidant, and it prevents bacterial growth and infection. Finally, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut water. I love coconut water because it has lauric acid that has antifungal and antibacterial and antiviral properties. So I cannot think of anything better to be drinking during this quarantine where you're trying to stay healthy, you're trying to, boost your immune system, help your body, just be the best you can. Finally, I blend all my ingredients together. I did not have to add extra water. I just had to move the ingredients a little bit because my blender is not the best, evidently. And then I just kept on mixing it a little bit. I decided that I wanted to add about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt with vanilla flavor, just to add a little bit of creaminess and better flavor because the ginger was very strong. So I come in and I add a little bit of Greek yogurt here, and then I am going to blend it again. Finally, I pour both of my smoothies in my mason jars and I tried them both. They are delicious and I hope it helps everybody stay super healthy during this quarantine. Personally, I love the green one. I did not strain it because the pulp is what has all these good things for you, but if you really don't like it, you can strain it and still have a couple of vitamins and good stuff for you. And then the papaya one was perfectly creamy. It was delicious, but if you do not like turmeric or papaya, it might be a little bit of a strong flavor for you. Alright, and that's it. I hope you guys try it and I hope it really does help you. I'm now gonna go sip on my smoothie while I do some work. Bye!